welcome back. As you can probably hear and also see, I'm doing another brew day. So following on from the last brew, the Nectaron Brut IPA, which I really enjoyed, I decided to do another Brut IPA. Keep the same malt bill, but just swap out the hops. So instead we're going to be using Citra. Going to be using the same yeast, the S33 Sulphate, and of course the dry enzyme, which will pitch those two together. So yeah, we're just about halfway through the mash. So just running through the malt bill very quickly. It's bulk of it is American ale, some light crystal, some wheat, and acidulated malt, all Gladfield's malt. So yeah, we'll finish off the mash, and then what I'll do is I'll just do a couple of quick clips, and we'll see at the end. We'll do a bit of a taste and have a look at the hydro sample and see how the brew day went. So catch you soon. Cheers guys. Okay, so we're at the end of a 60-minute mash. Just raised the temperature up to do a quick mash out at 76 degrees just to loosen up some more of those sugars. So we'll see you at the next stage. Okay, so we've started the boil, so it's going to be a 60-minute boil. No hop additions until the end, so we're going to do like a Whirlpool hop stand addition. While that's happening, thought we may as well do a little bit of clean out the pump and lines here, and we'll clean out the grain basket. Don't know if you guys do the same sort of thing or whether you leave all your cleaning till the end, but yeah, I'm sort of clean as you go kind of guy. But anyway, we'll see you at the next step. Okay, so we're just about 10 minutes from the end of the boil, so I'm just sterilising the wort chiller, and we'll chuck in for Whirfloc tablet. Okay, so we're at the end of the boil, so we'll turn the power off to the boiler, and we're going to add in half of the Citra, so it's 50 grams into, this is going to be a half batch or a 10 litre batch, so we'll add those in. Okay, so I've finished the Whirlpool / hop stand. So I did about 7 minutes at just after turning off the boiler to get the bitterness. Then I dropped the temperature down to 80 degrees and let the hops sit for another 12-13 minutes, so 20 minutes all up. And yeah, I'm just cooling the wort down now, so we'll carry on doing that and we'll catch you at the next stage. Okay, so we've cooled the wort down as much as we can. Unfortunately, we could only get it down to 29 degrees as the groundwater temperature here is still pretty warm. Anyway, we're transferring it into the fermenter and just taking a sample in the hydro tube here. So we'll be back shortly once I've finished this, and we'll check out the gravity, etc. Okay, so brew day is done and dusted. I've got the fermenter tucked away in the fermentation fridge. Going to ferment that at 18 degrees. I've pitched the yeast and the dry enzyme. So here is the hydro sample, nice straw, golden straw colour. Came out at 1033, the original gravity. So that's 1 point higher than the Nectaron, which came out at 1032. So as I mentioned before, it's actually the same grain build, just swapping out the hop for Citra. If the dry enzyme does its thing, this should get down to 1000, which it did for the Nectaron. Yep, give me that 4.3% ABV. And yeah, we'll just have a taste of the sample. So ballparking sort of 35 to 40 IBU, and it's got a nice hit of bitterness, so I think we're in that sort of in that ballpark. Yeah, so looking forward to fermenting this and getting it kegged up. The only other thing you would have seen from the video title, I've decided to call it Brutiful Citra. Obviously a play on the words beautiful and brute. Hopefully it is a beautiful beer to enjoy. Still got some nice weather here, so hopefully another easy drinker. So yeah, stay tuned, and we'll do a tasting video probably in a couple of weeks. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your weekend and enjoy some, well, good beer. not just some good wort. So we'll catch you next time. Cheers, guys.